Hi everyone, welcome to the Bookish Tarot. So today we'll be doing the Aries reading, and what's coming up for Aries. Welcome Aries and the cross watchers, Sun, Moon, and Rising. All we will seeing that what November is bringing for the Aries. Yes, November and October and December, of course. They are some of the great months for me, especially. Let's see, I'm quite excited what's there for me because my sun sign is also an Aries. So let's see what's coming up for Aries in the month of November. Okay. I hope Aries, you guys are taking care of yourself because there has been a change in weather, especially the ones people from the Asian countries. The winter is coming, so make sure you guys take care of yourself. So, wow. Things look good. Things look very positive, Aries. It's very, very positive. Wow. Just look at you. Dominating your reading. So, the Aries signs. The reading says the world. First card we have is the world. That means endings and new beginnings. You're closing one chapter of your life and starting a new one, starting a new cycle. And the word card is also one of the most positive cards in the tarot. So look for new cycle to open new opportunities, some new relationships coming your way. So there is a time to start with a clean slate. And the second card we have is Star. The Star is about the wish fulfillment for all the positivity and hope. So stay optimistic, Aries, because we have been going through a time of the pandemic where staying positive becomes stays one of the challenges. But the Star cards reminds you that you need to keep faith on your dreams, keep hope on your dreams, and keep moving forward, keep working on yourself. Then the third card we have is the Eight of Wands. For some reason, this is one of personally my favorite card, because whenever I draw this card, something really exciting or something very miraculous happens in my life. So the Eight and Wands, it talks about the wands are always about the actions. So if you are expecting a communication that has long been pending in this year, expect that the communication can come, or something that has been stuck around for something, any situations, any person, anything that you have been trying to do from a long time, but for some reason that has hanging up there. So the energy says that things will go into motions, things will keep moving. So Aries is one of the signs who just can't stay still. They need something, they need some purpose to do something, to follow their goals. So Eight of Wands is here to tell you guys that things will start taking the pace, and you will be able to go wherever you want to go, to pursue your dreams, or pursue the person you want to, everything. The Emperor. So Aries, if the coronavirus pandemic or any situation in your life has brought your energy down, this is a very positive period, November and December. And though we are talking about November, but I get this feeling that this energy will continue in the month of December also, that you will be in your power. The things will be moving, there will be fulfillment, there's a new cycle, and you will be in your power. So for generating power, Aries, for being in your powers, you have to work with the universe. You have to know your power, know your strength. Then only you can be in your Emperor energy, right? So expect a lot of positive changes, Aries. Stay optimistic, and any communication that you have been waiting for, any traveling that you, some scheduled traveling, some pending traveling that you have been waiting for, everything is going to be set in motions. And this winter definitely won't be cold for you. It will be a warm winter for you. And let's now go to our oracle cards. We have this moon oracle. It's one of my favorite cards. So let's see what cards have to say for you. Just pull out one card. Okay, let me pull out another card too. Yes, okay, it's fallen. Right. Wow. Okay. There's a lot of wind coming in, so yes. So the second card you have is the your hard work is paying off. See, if you notice, um, this time for healing cards just came in above the star cards. That is also a card of healing. So you know, you any kind of wounds, you can uh, be in a period of solitude to heal your any sorts of wound. You know, to forgive somebody, to ask for forgiveness, to let go of the past, release any kind of karmic energy that you are holding on to. So it will not just be about the energies or about the emotions, but it will also be about healing. A lot of you're surrounded by a lot of healing energy, and you really need to take advantage of it. Your hard work is paying off. Personally, as in Aries, we think that we are one of the most hardworking people. uh, though I'm not very biased, but I can't help be biased about Aries. So we are one of the most hardworking people, and we expect that we get the result. But I don't know, this pandemic has brought something that lots of thing has been about disappointment. So the card says that your hard work, whatever efforts you have put in a various kind of projects, whether it's a relationship, whether it's on your personal growth, any personal creative projects, you will get the results of it. Okay, so stay optimistic, don't give up that easily. Okay, let's take one more cards. What message we have from the universe has your back oracle cards. Let's see what's the message for you there. Let me fix this card properly. So messy. Okay, I'm quite happy. We didn't get even a single negative card. I'm quite happy about it. I was actually nervous about Aries reading. I was expecting that, please God, please get us something positive. It is positive, thank God. At least we will have last 2 months of positivity. Let's see. Okay. So, okay, the universe works fast when I'm having fun. So Aries, you have been guided to have fun, to enjoy the present movement, to enjoy everything. There is always something to be grateful about, something to be happy about. So be in your Aries energy of action, planning, having fun, and keep people who are in your life happy, and stay happy. Send love to each and everyone. That will really help you. Just keep enjoying your present movement. That will bring that will put energy into motions, and whatever things that you want to manifest in your life will come to you quite sooner than more than you are expecting right now. So Aries, this was your reading. I hope you liked the reading. Please like and subscribe, and let me know down in the comments how you like the reading. Okay, one more thing I wanted to add. So for some time now, I have been saying butterflies a lot, and butterflies means transformation. So the card that I can't stop looking at this card. It says the vibes speak louder than the words, and it also have butterflies. So be in a very a positive mindset. So stay optimistic. It will also help you to increase the pace of your transformation, Aries. Thank you so much. I wish you all the good lucks, all the happiness and positivity, Aries. Thank you so much. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.